its inception in 1986, Bronx Aids Services continues to help more than 8,000 Bronx residents with programs that are aimed to assist individuals who are living with HIV and AIDS, people who think they might have contracted the virus or are at risk of exposure. They offer counseling, testing, street outreach, free legal services, and medical services. This year, they're celebrating 25 years of dedicated service to the Bronx community and commemorating that with a gala, celebrating in September. Here to speak on Bronx Aids Services and the upcoming gala is Executive Director Jose Davila. Welcome to Open.
Thank you, Sylvia.
Can you tell me what is Bronx Aids Services? Can you take me through the organization and where we are 25 years later?
Well, Bronx Aids Services was founded in 1986 in response to the severe impact of the epidemic in the Bronx. It started as a small task force funded by the New York State AIDS Institute, and with the help of many other organizations, it grew up to be what it is today, a $7 million organization with about 80 employees, providing about 14 different streams of programs and services for people that are either infected or affected by HIV and AIDS.
So what kind of programming is there? Is there testing program, medical programming, and sort of outreach and aftercare programming?
Well, it's a combination of programs that basically are tailored to the needs and the populations that are affected in the Bronx. We do a lot of prevention with youth, both female and male, particularly young gay males. We do counseling and testing at our sites and also in 3 mobile units that are basically roaming the Bronx 24/7. We have programs for people that are infected, helping them get housing, get proper entitlements. We assist them with legal services when they have issues with landlords that are abusing their rights. We have food pantry and nutritional counseling for those that need it. So the services are basically tailored to the different segments of the population that are affected.
So you're celebrating 25 years of Hands and Hearts. What exactly is that? Can you explain that to me?
Well, Hands and Hearts that make a difference is our motto. And we are celebrating this year 25 years of our organization being founded. So that we're, celebrating 25 years of Hands and Hearts come from.
Okay, so that's your organization motto,
Yeah.
and you've been working in the Bronx, especially with teens and young adults, to as far as outreach and prevention. Over the last 25 years, how have you seen the crisis and the epidemic handled here in the Bronx, and also the global view of the AIDS and HIV virus in the world?
Well, it's very interesting that you mix the global epidemic with the Bronx epidemic, because we're actually fighting a third world country epidemic in the Bronx. The rates of infection, the conditions of the people that are affected are very similar to what happens in third world countries here in the United States. So we have, in the past 25 years, focused our efforts in preventing the disease in people that are at risk, and also helping those that have the disease get into care and live healthier lives. That's been our focus for the last 25 years.
Why do you think that we're fighting a third world epidemic in the first world? Why is that?
Because the numbers that we experience in the Bronx are very similar to the numbers that third world countries experience in terms of the epidemic.
So do you think with education, prevention, and outreach will help with the epidemic? Have you seen change? Is there a shift? Has there been a shift?
Yes, there has been. We're very, very proud of the work that we do and of the impact that we've had in the Bronx fighting the epidemic. We've seen people that were destitute and homeless and really sick get better, get proper housing, get proper nutrition, and begin living longer and healthier lives. Now, with that comes what we want to do for the next 25 years, which is make sure that those people stay healthy and become again productive members of society if they want to reach education. They want to get employment. That's what we want to do now, help them get to that next level and reintegrate them into society.
And also, this year you're celebrating your 25th year, so you have a gala going on. Can you tell us about the gala that's happening on September 22nd?
That is correct. The gala is going to be at 24 Fifth Avenue in Manhattan. It's going to be honoring three very distinguished and deserving individuals that have been in the fight against HIV/AIDS since the very beginning. Dr. Gary Calcott, Senior Vice President and Chief Medical Officer at Montefiore Hospital. James Albino, Senior Program Manager of the Office of National AIDS Policy in the White House, which happens to be a Bronx kid. We're very proud of him. And Frank Oldham Jr., who is the President of the National Association of People Living with AIDS, who has been in the front lines of advocacy against HIV/AIDS since the very beginning. It's going to be a very nice affair. We have, we're going to have open bar, celebratory event, and we want to mark this very, very important milestone and move on to the next 25 years of the organization.
So these three phenomenal individuals will be honored along with the others. I'm sure there's countless others who you can't sort of congratulate everyone, but I'm sure there are many people in your organization that are there every day doing that hard work. Can you tell me where, if people want to find out more information, if they want to find out more information about your organization, about the gala, or just receiving more information about HIV and AIDS services in the Bronx, what can they do?
Well, they can go to our website, www.basnyc.org, and we have a page there that is dedicated to promoting the event. They certainly can buy tickets and come and participate in honoring these very important individuals and celebrating our 25th anniversary, or they can make a donation to support our programs and services.
You mentioned there are two mobile units that travel the Bronx offering services and outreach. Where can people find these mobile units?
The mobile units have a weekly schedule that is also published on our website. So if people want to know where the mobile units are going to be and where they can get HIV testing free, and counseling and referral to services, they can go to the website and check the mobile unit schedule, and they go through the different neighborhoods of the Bronx, different days and evenings of the week.
Thank you, Jose, for serving the Bronx community for 25 years. We appreciate it.